Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, I will tell you this video have very good content which will help you. In this video, I will tell you how to uninstall multiple/many softwares at once. It is possible. I already told you about multiple software installation at once, link given in description. Now I will tell you how to uninstall multiple softwares at once. Before this video tutorial, I uninstall software from control panel which is much time consuming and slow down the PC. And also wait for completion of first software uninstall process. And start the next software to uninstall. Let's start the video. Open Chrome or Firefox browser. Type Bulk Uninstaller. Click on the first link. Click here. Download and install the software. I already install it. Open the software. It provides you very useful information about softwares, whether it is verified or unverified or its Windows Store app. Tick/check all those softwares by holding Control key. Then click on Uninstall quietly. Press Continue. Again press Continue. Press Begin Uninstallation. Wait for completion. The last, it's UPTOU whether press yes or no. You have successfully uninstalled all the selected softwares. Hope you like the content of the video and it is very useful for you. So like and comment on the video. And subscribe the channel.